I highly recommend working with Mark on your next career move. My only regret is that I didn't work with him sooner.
Well, that's very gracious, and I remembered both of those conversations, and I try to approach these things with a humility because it's such a nice thing to be able to help people like that. But at the same time, what I'm really doing is just saying, okay, I've seen that situation before, and this is what happened, or this is what we did or didn't do. Here's some suggestions. Does that make sense? And the response was always, oh my gosh, that makes perfect sense. And one of the interesting things is I'm talking to some people here who we both know very well, and they're very sharp.
Totally.
And one would think that, in my mind, what I think is a foundational level of understanding of how to go about interviewing or preparing is completely beyond their scope of knowledge. And when we say it like that, it's like, well, duh.
They've never done it before.
I don't know how to make movies either.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know how to do podcasts
It's
either.
just practice.